We are making chicken curry today, Fijian style, just the way my dad taught me how to make curry. The only thing different is I added tomato sauce, so keep watching. So the oil is heating up and I used olive oil. And I know you really can't use this with high heat, but I use it anyways. I find it a little bit more healthier. So we are going to make chicken curry, like I said. So once the oil is hot, we're going to add the onions to it. And I just cut 1 pack of chicken thighs, and that's usually enough for us. Sometimes it lasts for the next day. Onions. It's just like making the lamb curry if you watch my lamb curry video. Once the onions are a little golden brown, I'm going to add the minced garlic to it. And I just kind of cheat and get the one that's already pre-minced in the jar. Costco sells it, Food for Less sells it. Just keeping it fast and simple, nothing fancy. I'm going to add in about that much garlic. I would say this is about 2 tablespoons. Just kind of fry that in there. Now I'm going to add some cumin seeds to the oil now. And it's probably just a teaspoon that I'm adding with my hands. Don't want too much because it'll have a strong taste. If you know anything about cumin seeds, but it gives it a very good taste. And then we're going to add the turmeric and the masala. Okay, so for the turmeric, this is going to be a teaspoon. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of turmeric. And I had to turn down the stove because my onions were getting super brown. So it's at low right now. But you want to keep it like at medium-high when you're first frying the onions and garlic. Now I'm putting in the masala, so I'm going to add about 3 of this. So it's teaspoon. I would say it's about 3.5 teaspoons because I add kind of heaping teaspoons. Kind of fry it in the oil. And get my chicken. So we just add the chicken, and I already chopped these up. I leave the bone, what do you call it, the thigh bone in there because my husband loves the bones. I normally just like taking out the meat and chopping it up, but he likes the bones, so we'll get the bones in there. I'm going to throw this in there and then I'll mix it up. And again, I mentioned to you guys in my lamb curry video that I have learned how to cook from my dad, just from watching him. So this is kind of his way of cooking, I'd say. And Fijian chicken curry. But I'm going to add, in the end, I'm going to add some tomato sauce. It's going to have a little tomato curry taste to it. And some people add it in the beginning when they make the paste. I add it like towards the end, or towards the middle to the end. Okay, so that's all in there mixed up well. Let me get the salt. I always use Himalayan salt for everything because it's a lot better for you health-wise. Do not use the white salt, you guys, the one with the lady with the umbrella. That is not good for you. That salt is processed. So if you're going to use any salt, use Himalayan salt. So I'm going to put a little bit less than a tablespoon. So let's just say it's a teaspoon because you don't want to add too much. You could always mess it up if there's too much salt, so it's better to just kind of add as you go. And we'll just kind of turn it up. So you want to cook it on medium-high from here on, so you kind of want to burn out all the water, whatever water is going to come out of the chicken, just like we did with the lamb. almost the exact same concept. So turn up my stove. Just let it cook. I wasn't supposed to use the spoon. The spoon, I grabbed the wrong one, but it's okay. I almost forgot. I was going to add some powdered chili powder. And this is a 1/4 teaspoon. Even with this, it might be spicy, but I like my chicken pretty spicy. You could add fresh jalapenos or whatever you have. It doesn't matter. Oops, the camera. I'm still using my cell phone. I did find my camera and all my recording stuff, but I just haven't been in the mood to set up everything yet. But once I get it set up, I'm going to start my makeup tutorials too. But for now, I'm using my cell phone to do the cooking stuff. So I just looked on the package for the chicken size of how much it weighs. It's 4.91 pounds. So that's how much chicken is cooking in this pot right now. Gradually mix it up. Come back to it and give it a mix. So while this is doing its thing, I went and did some dishes and put my spices away. Just kind of clean up as I go. I just hate a mess in the kitchen. Turn it up a little bit because I want that to burn faster. I don't want my chicken to cook on medium. I want the water to burn and then I'll turn it to medium low and let it finish cooking. Now that it's higher, the water will burn out faster. And you could also add potatoes to this if you like, but add the potatoes towards the end because you know how potatoes cook fast. You don't want to put it in now. You want to put it in probably at the last 10 to 15 minutes of it to cook. But we're not going to put potatoes in it because you know I don't eat carbs, so I want to put it towards the end, the last 15 to 20 minutes, and let it cook. This is the tomato sauce that I'm going to add. I just get the small cans because I'm probably only going to use 1/4 of the can or 1/2. And I grabbed the wrong can because I went shopping at Walmart yesterday and there is some carbs in it and probably some stuff I don't need. But I'm going to go ahead and use it anyways because I'm just going to use a little bit. Next time when I buy this, I need to check the ingredients. Just tomato sauce only. But, I mean, it'll work for you guys. I'm just, like I said, I'm just no carb, so I don't really like having any carbs, but it's only 6 grams total. And I'm sure I'm probably not going to barely have a gram in my food. I'm going to go ahead and add the tomato sauce, and it's about a little less than 1/2 can. Pour that in there, and then I'm going to add some water. Just added that much water. Okay. It almost looks like ketchup, but it's not. It's tomato sauce. And the chicken usually takes 1 hour to cook. So I think we have 24 minutes left. Okay, and then I just turn it down to low because my low is like medium on the stove and just let it cook. In exactly 7 minutes, it will be 1 hour for this to be cooking. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it off and just kind of let it do its thing with its heat because I still want the sauce in there. I don't want that to burn out. So I'm going to add a little bit water, just a little bit. Turn it off, and there it is. There's your chicken curry. It is delicious. I mean, I don't even have to taste it. I know it's delicious. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so I can make more videos. If I had some cilantro, I would add that, but I do not have it. I think I need to plant some in my yard this winter. That way I can grab some fresh cilantro. And you could eat this with rice, you could eat it with naan, you could eat it with roti, with bread, whatever you feel like it. We'll probably just eat it, just the meat itself, or I don't know, maybe I'll have a little piece of roti or something, we'll see. But yeah, it came out really good. So if you guys try this, if you make it, let me know. And leave comments, let me know how it came out. And if you guys need any help, don't forget to ask questions. Alright guys, have a blessed day. Bye-bye. Yeah. Just to let you guys know also, you don't have to add the tomato sauce. So you can just do plain old chicken curry itself and it will still taste just as good. I was just wanting that tangy taste today, which is why I added the tomato sauce. So it's totally delicious, very moist. Here's the rotis cooking.